Basic of lean management. What is lean management? Lean management is a systematic approach to running an organization that supports the continuous elimination of waste, increases efficiency, and maximizes value to the customer using fewer resources. 5 core principles of lean. Value. Identify what the customer truly wants and is willing to pay for. Value stream. Map all steps in the process, value adding and non-value adding. Remove the wasteful ones. Flow. Ensure that products and information move smoothly through the process without delays or interruptions. Pull. Produce only what is needed when it is needed. No overproduction. Perfection, continuous improvement. Continuously improve all processes to reach near perfection, often driven by Kaizen. The 7 wastes, TIMWOOD. Waste type description. T. Transportation. Unnecessary movement of materials or products. I. Inventory excess raw material or finished goods. M. Motion, unnecessary movement by people, walking, bending, searching. W. Waiting idle time due to machine breakdowns, approvals, or delays. O. Overproduction, producing more than needed or too early. O. Overprocessing. Doing more work than required or using complex tools. D. Defects, errors that cause rework or scrap. Popular lean tools. 5S. Organize the workplace. Sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain. Kaizen. Small continuous improvements. Kanban. Visual system to manage workflow. Value stream mapping. VSM. Identify and reduce waste in the process. Pokayoke. Mistake proofing methods. Undone. Visual signals for problems on the shop floor. Standard work. Clear and repeatable work methods. Benefits of lean in garment industry. Increase line efficiency. Reduce style change over time. Improve on-time delivery. Cut excess inventory and waiting. Engage workers through Kaizen. Improve quality and reduce rework.